Hey guys, a very happy new year to everyone. Welcome to Chisel Training. आज हमारा पुश पुल लेग वर्कआउट सीरीज का डे 2 है। मतलब आज हम लोग पुल वर्कआउट करने वाले हैं, जिसका मतलब बैक और बाइसेप्स। सो वी विल बी डूइंग द वर्कआउट फॉर दिस टू मसल्स टुगेदर बिकॉज द मूवमेंट पैटर्न फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज इज क्वाइट सिमिलर वेयर वी आर पुलिंग द वेट टुवर्ड्स आवर बॉडी. So let's go to the gym and start our workout. We begin today's session with our first exercise, wide grip lat pull down. First perform 2 sets of this exercise as a warm up with lighter weight for 25 and 20 repetitions, and then perform 3 working sets of 12, 10 and 8 reps, increasing the weights each set. Try pulling the bar with your elbow all the way down to your chest and then releasing it slowly all the way up, extending your scapula. Second exercise is bent over machine row. You can perform this exercise with a barbell also with the overhand grip. Perform 3 sets of this exercise for 12, 10 and 8 reps. Remember to keep your back straight while bending over to prevent lower back injury. The next exercise is reverse close grip lat pull down. Keep good form, pull the weight down with your elbows and release slowly all the way up, extending your scapula. Perform 4 sets of 15, 12, 10 and 8 reps, increasing the weight each set. The fourth exercise for today is the one arm dumbbell row. This is a great exercise to get the thickness in your lat. Bend over placing one arm on a bench while your back should be straight and body should be parallel to the ground, or you can hinge up a little up to 30 degrees. Try pulling the dumbbell up towards your belly, squeeze your lat and go down all the way till stretching your scapula. Perform 2 sets each arm for 12 and 10 reps, and the last set is a double drop set. Performing this double drop set will be very tiring but rewarding as well, so don't give up. On to the next exercise is seated cable V-bar row. Maintain a good form by pulling the cable head towards your belly button and releasing slowly to eccentrically put higher tension on your muscles. Perform 3 sets of this exercise, increasing the weight for 12 and 10 reps, and the last set is a double drop set where you go till failure on each set. The following exercise is reverse machine fly. Adjust the seat of the machine a little bit higher so that the middle traps are engaged more into it. Stretch your arms back as much as you can to squeeze those straps. Perform 3 sets of this exercise where you go till absolute failure each set, no matter what weights you use. Our final back workout is rack pull. We trained all the muscle groups in the lat and upper back, and now to fire up that lower back with this exercise. Perform this exercise either on barbell or Smith machine. You can sacrifice on weight, but form must be perfect, where you only try to engage those lower back muscles. Keep back straight and locked and pull the weight by the hinge movement of your hips. Perform 4 sets of 12, 10, 10 and 8 reps. Increase weight each set to match reps. The next exercise is to train our biceps. EZ bar bicep curls. Remember not to swing while pulling up the bar. Keep your elbows locked and concentrate only on your biceps. Sacrifice weights but not form. Perform 3 sets for 15 and 12 reps, and the last set is a double drop set. Go till your max reps capability to fire up those biceps to the limit. The second biceps exercise is dumbbell hammer curl. We go 3 sets for 12, 10 and 8 reps. You can load up on weight on this exercise and even use a little momentum, but keep a good posture and concentrate solely on the contraction of the bicep so that you tire out those muscles to its maximum limit. The final exercise for today's session is wader curls. This exercise is an absolute beast for your biceps. Try performing this exercise slowly, keeping a good mind-muscle connection with your biceps. Perform 3 sets where you go till failure on each set, cross your limits and destroy those biceps. Hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.